a great recipe that uses the entire celery stick, leaves included, try this green minestrone. It's perfect for dinner on those cooler nights. Start by heating the oil in a large heavy base saucepan over medium-high heat. Add the onions and cook stirring for 2 minutes or until the onion is softened slightly. Next, add the chopped celery stalks and cabbage. Cook stirring for 5 minutes until the cabbage wilts. Add the zucchini and cook for 2 minutes or until heated through. Now add the stock and bring to the boil. Once boiling, add the broccoli, peas and cannellini beans. Reduce the heat to medium and simmer for 3 minutes until the broccoli is bright green and slightly tender but still crisp. Add in the rosemary and season with salt and pepper. To serve, ladle the soup among serving bowls and top with the pesto. Finish by sprinkling with finely grated parmesan and celery leaves. Whip up this tasty veggie-packed soup for a hearty dinner.